In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your LinkedIn password if you've forgotten it. We all know how easy it is to forget a password, especially when we have so many accounts to keep track of. Luckily, LinkedIn makes it pretty straightforward to reset your password, and I'm here to walk you through each step. To kick things off, you'll want to head over to the LinkedIn homepage. Once you're there, look towards the top of your screen and find the Me option. It's usually nestled there among other options. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you will go to Settings. This section is basically the control center for your LinkedIn account, where all of your preferences and account details are housed. In the settings, you'll find a category labeled Sign In and Security. Go ahead and click on that. This area includes all the settings related to your account security, including how you sign in. Once you're there, you'll see an option called Change Password. Click on this option and it should take you to a page that provides you with an option for Forgot Password. This is what you're looking for, so go ahead and click on it. Now, you will be prompted to enter either the email address or the phone number that you used when setting up your LinkedIn account. This is a crucial step because LinkedIn will use this information to verify that it's really you who wants to reset the password. If the details entered match an existing account, LinkedIn will send a verification code to the email or phone number you just provided. Once you've done that, click on the Next button. Then check your email inbox or your phone for this verification code. When you receive it, copy that code and then go back to LinkedIn where you'll find a box waiting for this code. Paste it in and hit Submit. After you've successfully submitted the verification code, you'll be able to create a new password. Remember to choose a strong password, something that you haven't used before. Enter it once and then retype it to confirm. LinkedIn provides an option to sign out of all other devices. It's a great security measure if you're concerned about unauthorized access. But if you're not worried, you can leave it unchecked. Once you're all set, click on Submit and your new password will be in place, successfully resetting your LinkedIn access. And that is all you need to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.